Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. We are, well, Kelly's in the shot. We're going to have a barbecue this afternoon. There's a car show down in Bagara. We might see that. We're going to go and get a gas bottle right now, go and refill it. And then, yeah, we'll see you soon. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay.
So we don't really do gas bottle-y type things, so I like to barbecue, I just don't like to do gas bottle stuff.
Beautiful day. There's a car show on down here somewhere. We'll go and have a look at that and see if we can see some old cars and stuff. Let's go. What do? You swap the gas bottles over?
Yeah, just swap them over.
And how much do you pay?
27 bucks. Is that good? I don't know.
Comment down below and tell us.
Like I said, I love to barbecue, but I don't like this gas business. So I don't know if $27 is good. It'll be interesting to see how long it lasts.
We're back at home with the gas bottle. It's packed down the beach. We couldn't get to the cars. Jesse's here. Hey Jess. So I might go for a moto ride down to the car show so I can get down there. I'll see you then. The vlog is a vlog. Oh, watch out! Gotcha. Kelly's got the steamer going. You should wait.
I'm doing a shit.
Yeah. Why don't you put it back over here?
Because I don't want it on there and then it all just sprays wet. Like at least.
Alex just come over and gave me some hot beef jerky. And I didn't think it was going to be that hot, and it was really hot. And my mouth is burning on fire right now. It gave me the hiccups straight away. The hiccups are gone now. That's why I'm talking to you. But holy shit, I'm still look, my eyes are watering. My nose is running. Oh, it's hot. But I love hot beef jerky. My honey's burning, it's on fire. It's that hot, I gotta put ice cream on my hand. It's so hot. Hell. Alex is having a rollerblade at the front. Alex never rollerblades, but giving it a go.
I'm gonna buy a set, but really, I'm pretty fucking desert.
Yeah. Ah, that was a pretty good line.
Nearly
there
got
it is.
Nearly got it.
Yeah, buddy. Me and Alex are going to go for a ride down to the car show on the Moto board. I'm going to tow him down there. It's too packed down there. We can't even get our car in there, so we might as well just ride down there, and we'll show you some of the cars. See you down there. Down that way. We'll go down that way. We found Utah and Jesse at the skate park.
Yeah,
Utah's going to do a trick for us. Let's go.
Alright,
Flip more like in photos. Oh, that's nuts. He got it. Utah's going again.
Alright, everyone stay there.
Start!
Still sick. Going over to the car show, suss out some of the old cars. I've seen a Chevy over here. My brother Mario used to love the Chevys. And my brother George and my brother Charlie, they all love the Chevys. Let's go and see what we can find. Holy shit, look at that thing. We just started it up. Oh, look at these rat rods. Woohoo! That's nice. Holy shit. Damn. Beautiful. This piece. He's a hot car. I don't know what happened. Mario would like this one. Shit, yeah. Would you rather one of them or a Lamborghini? I think I'd rather one of them. And a Lamborghini too. This beast. Look at the grill. The motor is actually running right now.
Everyday drive car. I kid you not. Yeah, I built this car.
Man, there's so many cars. There's so many cars here, I'm going to have to do 2 vlogs today. So this is the first one. Sick. Right near the ocean. Goes on and on, beast. Surfing mobile. Shaggin' wagon. That to the rat rod. I'll walk real fast through them all, so you can see as many as you can. Dun 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 dun. This one's gonna start up. Nah, they just sit in it. Oh, fastest go-kart in the world. Did just start up that car. Found an old SLR 5000 Toronto. All my brothers had one of these. Not as good as this one, but pretty nice. Okay, we'll go for a run again through the rest of the cars. That green one looks hot. Another hot one. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh no. That's nice. You could ride the back of that car. Oh, that's sick, Ford. Two-wheel action. This thing going. This guy's getting arrested for just standing there. His car looks that fast. He's breaking the speed limit. Right. The end of the show. Of the car show. A few motorbikes here. With these cars. Oh, he's hanging around here. Rev up. Come back in. There's parking up out here. Look at that one over there. Nice. Nice Harleys. let's go back on our mission. Utah's still going crazy over there, still trying to backflip the whole gap. He's crazy. Switch backflip over the gap hip, step down hip thing. Look, here it goes. Oh no. Go. Ah, that was in. Holy crap.
Screw it, that'll do it.
That was it.
Come on, Jesse.
Yeah.
So,
Oh. Let's go back home, pal.
yep.
Cars were sick, you should have. Okay, I decided to leave Alex here with Utah. He can get lift back with Utah. I'm gonna ride back by myself so I can go home quicker. I'm gonna go edit this and I'll start again. So I'm gonna have two vlogs out today. Okay, so there'll be another one after this one. Look out for it. Oh. There's no cars behind us the whole way, so we've just been on the road. We're on the home stretch. Made it home all nice and safe. Sick. I was flying home then. Had no cars behind me the whole way. Alright, I'm going to end this vlog right here and I'm going to start a new vlog very soon. Make sure to have fun today, because I am.